May kiki pa guys. Hi guys, good morning! Good morning guys. Turn the TV a little bit low. What are you crying for? What are you crying? I know they left. They will be right back. Okay, do you want the bully balls? Brrr. Okay guys, good morning. They just left. It's 7:10. I'm gonna have my breakfast because I don't eat because, you know, they're busy doing stuff here for them. It is Friday morning today. Oh, Tommy, forget this thing. This thing, guys, I love this. Ay, nako. Stop it. And I don't really wanna go to the old house. I don't really wanna do it because I kinda just wanna do something over here without anybody. But Tommy said, "Oh, you're not gonna pick up my mother? You're not gonna pick up my mother? It's so hot over there. There's no air conditioner. There's no air conditioner in the house. In the old house. Roxy, stop. There's no air conditioning in the old house. It's gonna be hot over there for her." I said, "I'm not gonna be there. I'm not gonna pick her up. I'm not gonna pick her up." Because I wanna do something here. And then what happened was I really don't wanna just go there and drive again and pick her up. I plan to do it tomorrow, but Tommy seems like insisted, like, okay. I see Tommy's face. I saw Tommy's face like this, very unhappy, because it's so hot over there in the other house. There's no air conditioning, nothing. So hot, and he kind of really, like, you know, he doesn't have a choice if I don't want to do it, but he doesn't force me, guys. He doesn't force me. He just, like, kind of, like, I see his face because it's hot. That house, guys, you don't have any idea how hot it is, like crazy hot. Before they go, I told him, okay, then tell your mother I'll pick her up. I'll pick her up and bring her here. So that's what happened. So I'm gonna go later on to pick her up because I'm gonna bring her here and then bring her Monday again. I'm gonna have breakfast that I can eat my lunch. I'm gonna have my breakfast that I can edit my video, and that's it. And the dogs eat already. When Tommy left, went to every time he left the house, he always stopped by the over there mail. He always get the mail. He always check. He always, like, you know. And when Tommy checked the mailbox, I said, "Oh, there's package, hon, there's package." I said, "Where that from?" Oh my God, from my friend Beth. Beth Amayo, oy, salamat kayo, Beth. Beth, if you are watching, thank you very, very much. And yeah, thank you very much. He really is a good friend. I'm not a good friend. I don't send him anything. May inaanak pa naman ako. Yeah. Beth, I hope you understand, Beth. You know the situation, oy. The situation. I open it already. Look. I open it already. Oh my God, he sent me the... Oh my goodness. What is this? Hello? It's really good. The Sea Pride, pusit na luto, masarap at malutong. Manufactured by EMC Food, Philippines. From the Philippines. What is this? Oh, there's something here. Oh, he gave me a religious thing. Beth, thank you, Beth. Is this a religious thing? Hold on. This one right here, guys. Thank you, Beth. You're very thoughtful, oy. You're such a good friend. What is this? Oh, okay. Sikihor, Philippines. Oh my God, she gave me, Beth. You know what, Beth? If you are watching this, please watch this video. I'm begging you, Beth. You know, I told you guys that I don't let anybody put magnets on my refrigerator because I don't like it so dirty. But I don't know. I mentioned this before. But I don't let anybody do that. There is one over here that I let Tommy do because this is the gas. But I'm gonna take it out. This is from Beth. She gave this to me. This one right here. From Disney. She gave it to me. I appreciate it. And look. It's there. And now she gave me another one, Sikihor, from where they've been. I'll put it in the side. On top. Right there, right here. Put it there. And put it there. Yeah, like that. Yeah. That's it. I don't let anybody do this over here because I don't know, guys, because I don't have kids. Maybe if maybe if I have kids one day, I will let anybody put over here like drawing of the kids. I understand that because it's your kids, whatever. But I don't want any faces like people that faces over here, like, you know, like the whole family thing. It's just, what the heck. It's just every time I turn my head in this house, it's gonna be faces of the people that are here. Send me, what is this? Ah, the mango rind, mango and tangerine together. Dried mango rind. The mango and tangerine together. And what is this? The mango chocolata. Hello, oi. Hello. Hello, chocolate and mango together. I never seen this one before. Where did she get this? Maybe probably. I'm so curious about this mango tangerine thing. Oh my god, guys, look at it, guys, look at it, guys, look at it. Let me see, it's kind of shiny. Huh? Hala, 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 it's so good. Oh my goodness. Good girl. No, you ate already. So good. It's really good. Very tangerine, and then I can still taste a little bit of mango, but it's more tangerine because maybe because of the sourness. I'll try this later. I'm kind of excited with this. The sea pride. Wow. Oh, there is a letter. Holy cow. There is a letter. A really good handwriting. She have a really good penmanship. Is that penmanship? Hi Ann, kumusta? Gamay gasa. I'm a souvenir from Sikiho. Love it. Thank you, Ben. Oops. Oh my god, I'm so touched. I'm so touched. Hold on, I have cake. My cake. That thing, the tangerine and mango kind of stuck on my teeth. And I will keep it. I keep every letter. Memorabilia. Gardener is here, guys, and the two dogs. Miste. They're watching the gardener. Are you ready to come in? I'm gonna get ready to leave. What happened to your mouth, Rocks? Why your saliva is drooling? Why you're drooling? Hey, why you're drooling? What did you eat? Hi guys, good morning. Good morning, guys. Shout out to Alvin Crofts. Hi from Bohol. Hi Alvin, thank you for watching. And also shout out to Myra Lampayan and to Lampayan family in the Philippines. Hi. Thank you for watching. Tita Inday and Sister Tis, thank you for watching from California. Hi. Good morning. See you in my next video. Ikaw, nanonood ngayon na hindi ko na shout out. Shout out to you. Very silent, no comment. But thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching my video. Bye. Hi guys! I am ready. Naka-sleeveless ako, guys. Naka-ganito, walang sleeve. Alam nyo ba, matagal na ito, guys. I have this for a long time. This one, I had two of this different color, but this one, guys, I got this from Gilid-Gilid, yung okay. Hindi naman siya okay. It's not like okay. Okay. Ano siya? I got this from, like, you know, yung mga vendors sa you know, yung mga sidewalk vendors nang nagtitinda. They're selling different kind of clothes, different kind of style. So I found this across the hotel in Cebu where I stay in, and then I said, oh, let's go look over there, and probably they have, you know. And then I got different kinds. I have some dress. It's just the tila, yung fabric niya mas maginaw-ginaw, mas nindot, gana. It's good in this weather. I'm going to eat first before I go, guys. The lipstick that I'm wearing right now, I mix it with the Wet n Wild. Dalawa siya, minix. So I'm gonna have lunch before I go. I kinda hungry, so I don't wanna drive that I am, like, you know. I was going without the car key. I forgot the car key. I'm going to the car. I said, okay, the car is not going to on. So, kailangan pang garbage. Ilagay ko muna tong garbage, guys, sa sasakyan kasi maraming garbage. Alam nyo na, maraming garbage. Oh my God, ang huot-huot naman ito eh. Ang huot-huot. Ay, nako. Oh, yes. Let's go take. Okay, hold on. Ano ko lang to. I will see you in the other house. Bye-bye. See you later. Bye-bye. Naghuot akong dughan diri, guys. It's so hot. It is very hot. Very hot. Pagkatapos niyong kumain, alis na rin kami. Yun. Kasi sobrang init dito. Hindi ko kaya. It feels like underwater here. Yung parang hindi ka makahinga. You can't breathe. It feels like that. I think it's going to rain. It's kind of cloudy, dark cloud right there. And up there too. Let's try this one. It's a little tiny one. Ooh, it's individual pa. Oh my goodness. Oh, it smells good. So tiny. But let's see.
Who burns easily. But when Paul is at school, he and other students cannot apply sunscreen without a doctor's note. That's because the Food and Drug Administration
You can have this, Rock.
among 8 states with pending legislation that makes an exception for some
I like it.
at least
The sweet, salty.
passed a law allowing students to
Sweet.
apply sunscreen for the children to use sunscreen. According to the CDC, the most dangerous form of skin cancer.
If there was widespread use of sunscreen and it was used properly, we would definitely see wash.
Yes, she certainly did. And in one of the most iconic share outfits of all time, too. And it's off tonight. I think.
She's dreaming. Yung lips ko. She's dreaming again. And I am baking there. Lumsy. Smells so good. The rice. It's almost done. Yay! I hear it sizzling. There's nothing really going on. Yung mother-in-law ko natutulog lang siya. She's just sleeping. I know she's tired. She just get out from the dialysis anyway, so that's why. Para talaga sa akin yung sana yun. Yung sana yun para sa akin. Nakapuan siya. Yeah! Look guys, tignan nyo. Sarap siya. Kung sa'yo mag-ihuna-huna, anong iniisip mo, Rox? Anong iniisip mo? Hey, what are you thinking? Iniisip mo ano? Do you want something? Do you want something? Where is Papa? Asa man imong Papa? Nasaan ang ama mo? Huy, kabaw. Roxy, are you go all tired, Rox? Are you tired? don't push the camera. I love you so much. Oh, you're my baby princess. And you too know. I love my God, nakuratan ko. Nakuratan ko sa imong kakiat. Sa imong kakiat, nakuratan ko. Sa imong kakiat, nakuratan ko. You know why she barked? Because she want me to stop touching Misty and touch her. That's what she want. That's what she want. That's what she want, right? That's what you wanted. Okay, Misty time. Tika, lingka, tingka, lingka, tingka, ting. I love mo, tika, mama, tika, mama, tika. I love mo, tika. Ay, Diyos, ginuo ko, nakuratan ko, Rox. Animas, mangkarox. Animas, mangkarox. Animal, mangkarox. Animal, bitaw ka. Kinsa may ingon tao ka. Kinsa nag-ingon tao ka? Look at this, guys. Oh, you're so cute, oh. We're gonna eat soon. I'm gonna wake her up. Because so that she can go... That she can go to bed early. Okay, I think cook na. I think it's cooked already. I'm not sure, but I want it dead. As in dead. Yeah, I really want to sleep up here, guys. But I don't want to leave the doggy downstairs because they're gonna go crazy. So yeah. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching into this vlog, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up. I will see you tomorrow, guys, and I appreciate it. I'm just crying. What are you crying? What are you crying? Huh? What are you crying? Huh? I'll be right back, baby. Look at it. That poor baby. He really wanna come up here. Oh, look at it. Don't put your head. Oh my God. Yes, you can put your head like that. Put it back. Put your head back. Put your head back. Oh, now you can put it back. Look at it. Ay, naku, bug. I'm gonna end this vlog now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night.